How to host an Instagram fundraiser. In this video, we're gonna show you how to do exactly that. Hello and welcome. So, to do this is very actually simple. You just might have missed it sometimes, but I'm sure that you have glanced over it. All you need to do is open up your Instagram and you need to create a post. So select the little post button at the top and select post. Now choose your picture and add all your filters or whatever to it. I'm just gonna choose a blank picture and continue. Edit, whatever. Continue forwards from here. And here on your post, you can see add fundraiser. Select that one. It's at the very end. So here you have all the fundraising charities that are going on. You can select any of those and you can select the categories from here. For example, if you want for education, and so let's see, Progress EU, the Gentle Barn. You can set your goal from here once you select it. So let's say it's 5k USD. Okay. And once you've done everything, just select done. And you can see that we have it added to our post and just select done. We don't want to share it to Facebook. It's finishing up. And there we go. And now we have a fundraiser for the Gentle Barn. And you can see the little icon right here. And if you click it, people can donate here. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe and see you next time.